Hi there, welcome back. Okay, in this short module, I'd like to introduce two very important Kaizen terms, namely System Kaizen and Point Kaizen. Now, if you've already watched the Gemba Academy Transforming Your Value Streams course, you'll likely have a good idea of what these terms mean since we introduced the concepts during that course. Well, specifically, during that course, we learned how to create a current and future state value stream map. And we also learned about creating Kaizen newspapers that listed out all the activities that needed to happen in order to bridge the gap between current and future state. Well, when taken in full context, the entire future state value stream map and all the noted improvement opportunities represent what we call System Kaizen. But when we look a little deeper, we notice that there are several very specific improvement activities that need to happen. Well, these improvement activities represent what we call Point Kaizen. In other words, there will almost always be multiple Point Kaizen events within one larger System Kaizen initiatives. Now, we often get asked, which is better, System Kaizen or Point Kaizen? And really, this question can't be answered since the two concepts work together in harmony. But what we can say is for Kaizen to succeed over the long term, you mustn't ignore either System or Point Kaizen. In other words, we must always understand the big picture of what we're working on and why we're working on it, which is what System Kaizen does for us. Likewise, we need to break these big problems down into manageable problems, which is what Point Kaizen does for us. Well, in the end, they both serve an important role to the improvement process. Finally, while we stress the need to use value stream maps during your Kaizen efforts, I don't want you to think that they're mandatory since, as we learned in the practical problem solving course, there are different ways to break big, vague problems down into more manageable problems using tools and concepts other than value stream mapping. So, if you haven't already viewed the practical problem solving course, I'd like to encourage you to do so. Okay, well, this wraps up this module on how System and Point Kaizen can and should work together in harmony for long-term success. And in our next module, we're going to learn about a few different roles that need to be involved in the Kaizen event process. So, we'll speak to you soon.